So earlier I did tell you that conditional rendering happens in two ways. One way of doing it is in this fashion. So what's one more? So one more being the ternary way of doing things. So let's do one thing. I'll hit the return. Okay, so since we wanna have it in ternary, it's something related to JS. So this, and then you have a question mark over here. So what does the question mark do? It's gonna tell what is within the if, pointing next followed by what else. Okay, so let's do it this way. So once this is done, I guess we could comment this out. So now if you see over here, there's no JSX being returned, so we'll put the JSX as well, and here this should be good. Yeah, you see, this is how we wrote it earlier and this is how we have written it now. So pretty much things will be the same. So welcome back. So if I go here to the app.js, sorry, if I go to the app.js and I make this as false, you should be able to see please sign up. Yeah, so these are the two ways of conditionally rendering. And one more frequently used methodology is even you go about using ands over here, right? Okay, so ands in the sense for now is, let's assume that you also have a, okay, it should come within the this JSX one fragment. So now let's say on based of the same state is logged in, and I'm gonna be like uh, my name. Okay, okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so please sign up since it's false right as of now. So let's do one thing, we'll turn it to true. Now see the output. Yeah, you're able to see my name coming up, right? So how did that happen? So this is one more way. Okay, you can remove these codes though, but yeah. So based on one state, you can like conditionally render in this fashion as well using and or anything that goes by the logic that you're familiar with or the relevant what story you wanna build off. So this we have done using the props. You can go about using states as well, then triggering the button and on that button changing the state and then rendering things. This is one such use case which popularly is being used. So I just gave you a glimpse of things. I hope this makes sense. So with that being said, next we'll have a look of some common scenarios like how do you go about list rendering as well. So catch you back in the next lecture.